Hello guys, follow me in this video. I will teach you how to create a beautiful VTU website from scratch to purchase data, airtime, and cable subscription and other services. Now we are going to navigate to our Chrome browser. So I'm going to guide you from the start of. You have to register with any domain name provider. If you don't know how to get a domain name, you can follow my others video to know how to register with a domain. So now I have a domain. I'm going to click on login to cPanel. With cPanel, I am going to guide you on how to do everything from scratch. So this is the cPanel interface where we are going to start our creation. So now we are going to start with the file offload. Click on this file manager. This is the file manager. As you can see, this is file manager. You have to click on file manager. Here we are going to upload our database in public HTML. This is public HTML. So let's click on this upload. This is upload. As you can see, this is upload. So we have to click on upload and all and upload the file. This is the zip file. Click on select. Let me navigate to my Google Drive. At the end of this video, I am going to share the link of this Google Drive folder with you. This is the version 6.1 script. So here you are going to upload this version 6.1 script, the zip file. Click on opened and boom, now it is uploading. Before it finish uploading, let's go back to our cPanel page to upload other things. So here we are going to create the database. We have to scroll down. This is the database. This is my SQL database wizard. We have to click on my SQL database wizard or database wizard. So we have to click on this and it will navigate us here. Here we are going to create the database. Here we have to put the name of the database. We have to put app or anything that you prepared. Then click on next. This is the process on how to create a database. After creating the database, we are going to create the username for the database. This is the database name. And here we have to copy the database like this. We have to copy this because we are going to use this as our password. We are going to use this as our password to avoid any mistakes. So here we have to type slash app, the same with the username. You can use different, the same with the password, and the username should be the same. So here I have pasted the password and click on create user. Now I am going to create a user for this database, and this is the same process you are going to follow. So we have to click on all privileges. These are the privileges you can see. You have to tick on this. You have to tick on this. This is your username and the database name. As you can see, we have to scroll down. You can copy that and scroll down after adding the privileges and click on make change. Here we have to make change, then save all the files. We have to give them access to we have to give them the free villages to make changes, to update, to show, to change the reference and do many things. So we have to save this. We have to save this. This is the files that we have uploaded, right? So now we have to go back to the click on this true host icon. We are going to get back to the page. So we have to create an email. Here we have to create the email account. This is the email account. We have to click on this. Here we are going to create email account, the email account that we are going to use. So from here we have to click on this create plus icon. So we have to click on this create, then write the username of the email. So here we have to use support or anything that you prefer to use. So from here we have to we can set the password for this one too. Let's copy this and set the password as the username of our database. So this is the password, right? uh if it is not on this set password now, you have to click on this set password now, then click on stay on click, then create. Here we are creating the email account. You can see the email account was created successfully. Then we have to copy the email like this. We have to copy the email. So here we have to paste the email like this. So now let me click on this true host. This is the true host icon, right? It will redirect us back to this page, the cPanel interface. Now let me click on this to see if the zip file was still uploading. The zip file was still uploading. So let me go back to this cPanel page. To scroll down here, we are going to upload the database. Before that one finish, we have to click on this PHP my admin. This is PHP my admin. So I have highlighted it for you. When you click on this PHP my admin, here we are going to upload the database table of this website, the database table of this website. So here we are going to create this. This is the domain name. This is the domain name of the website. When you search Niger Pay Data, when you search it, you can see this is just the file that we have uploaded. It is not like anything else. So the file was completed. Now we have completed uploading the file. Then click on go back home. Now the file was uploaded successfully. So we have to right click the file like this. Then after you have right click the file, okay, I have started downloading the file. I'm so sorry. Let me cancel the downloading. So here we have to right click the file and click on extract. This is extract. Then we have to extract it in public HTML. Now we are extracting the file. Now we are extracting the file. Let's wait for the file to be extracted. Let's wait for the file to be extracted on this directory. So the file is extracting. The file is extracting. Boom, the file was extracted. So here we have the file directories. Now we are going to delete on this the zip file. We don't want to take any space on this website. Then click on the file and skip the trash. Then you have deleted the file. So here on the database that we have started uploading, right? This is the database that we have clicked on PHP my admin. So here we have to click on exact database name that we have created. This is the database name we have created. Click on it. So after we have clicked the database name we have created, we are going to upload the database table on this database. Don't forget that we have created the database and the username of the database. So here we are going to upload the file. Without this file, the website will not run. The website will not run, and the users cannot register, and the admin cannot log into the website at all. So this is the process to upload the zip file. Let's wait for it. So here we have to click on this import. This is import, right? We have to click on this import to import the file. We have to click on this import to import the files. This is the process to import the SQL file on your website. This is the process to follow. Let's wait for it a little. So you can see here we have to choose the file. This is the choose file. We have to click on this choose file, then click on the database. This is the database, right? We have to open it. So you can see the database was now added. So we have to click on this import. This is the import, right? We have to click on import. Here we are importing the database table. We are importing the database table. We have to wait for the database to be imported. The reason why I am not minimizing or stopping the video is for you to see the full process, for you not to get any confusion during the upload or something else, for you just to see the full process, to see how it is uploading. When it uploaded, what is the response it will show, and what is the process for that. So that's the reason I am not stopping the video, and to make this tutorial as simple as possible. As simple as possible. Here we are uploading the file. Here we are uploading the file. So let me refresh this website, because we have extracted the zip file, right? Let me refresh it. so that you can see how the website will look like. Boom, here is how the website will look like. This is MKL data, the logo. Welcome to MKL, your one time top up. So we are going to change all these things: MKL, the logo, MKL, welcome to MKL, and many things. We are going to change the download app link and so many things from this website. So this is pretty simple. This is pretty simple. Let's go. These are the services that you will that are available, the features that are available on this website, like this: airtime purchase, data purchase, cable TV subscription, electricity bill, exam pin, recharge card, data card, smile top up, and many things. So now the database was imported, right? You can see import has been successfully finished. So let's click on this. Let's click on this database. You can see the tables was uploaded. You can see the tables that are available on this database. You can see the tables that are available on this database. Let's wait for it a little. Let's wait for it a little. Here are the database tables that are available on this website, right? So you can see here are the database tables. You can see we have only single subscriber, we have the site settings, we have so many things on this website. So you can see now we have to change all these tops. We have to change all these tops and the logos. So now we are going to connect our database. This is the main thing. In our public HTML, the files that you have extracted, click on the core file. This is the core file. So you have redirected here. Let's click on models. This is models, right? This is models. So on these models, we have to right click on model.php, then edit the file. We have to edit this file. We have to edit this file. So here we are going to change line 11, 12, 13, and 17 and 18. We are going to connect our database, the name, the username, and the password. Don't forget that we have used the same name for the database name and the passwords. So let's copy the database name, right? Let's copy the database name. So here we have to paste it like this. We have to remove this. We have to remove this and paste it like this. We have to remove the database name and paste it. This is the database name, right? This is the database username. We have to paste it like this, and then we are going to remove the database password and replace it. Don't forget that we have used the same process. We have used the same password for the email. So let's copy the email. Let's copy the email as well. Don't forget to save these informations, because are the main information that you will use to connect your website. So we have to paste the email. This is the email, right? So after you have changed this, you don't need to change anything. Just click on save change. We are saving changes. We are saving changes. Now we have done with that. So let's go back to the core folder. Here we have to change the site.php. The site.php. From here we are going to just change the website name that will appear when someone's login to the website. So here we have Niger Pay data, right? So let's remove this MKL. Let's write Niger Pay data. Then click on save change. So after you have saved these files, now we have to navigate to the controllers. This is controllers, right? Okay, sorry, I'm so sorry. This is not the for controllers. Here we have to navigate to the helpers, then vendor, then we have to change this site.php. We have to change this site.php. Click on edit. Click on edit. Then let's also write the website name, Niger Pay data. Niger Pay data. Let's save the change. So we have finished with this. We have finished with this. Let's close the website, right? So now we have connected. Now we have connected our database, right? So all we need to do is just to change, to make change. Let's come back to the public HTML. This is public HTML. we have connected our database. Here we have to click on index.html, click on edit and edit the index.html. Here we are going to change the name of the website. As I told you, welcome to MKL to the main one. So now we have to click on it like this, MKL data. All we need to do to change these stops is just to type of this plus search icon. When you click on search icon, you have to type MKL data like this. You can see it appears 15 times. Then you have to click on this plus icon from the bottom. You have to click on this plus icon, then type the name of your website. We have Niger Pay Data, right? We have Niger Pay Data. Then click on this all and click on replace. Right now we have replaced, you can see now we have replaced the name, we have replaced all the where the names was appeared. Then click on save change. Now we have done with this. We have done with this. So here we have to close the file and do the same settings for the contact.html. This is contact.html. Click on edit. Let's edit this folder also. Let's use mkl data, then click on this plus icon, then type the name of your website, Niger Pay Data. Then when you replace it one by one, it will be replacing one by one. When you click on all, it will be replace all. Then don't forget to write Polati telecoms, because I have noticed this. Polati telecoms, then replace it also, then click on save change. You have done with this one also. Click on save change to continue, then click on close. So here we have to change also the privacy policy link, but don't touch this php in. Then click on edit, then edit the file. For this privacy policy, you can also do the same. Write mkl data, then click on plus icon, replace it with the name of your website, Niger Pay Data, or any your website. Click on all, then replace. Then we have to write Pulati telecoms, Pulati telecoms. Then click on all. I'm so sorry for that. Click on all, then replace, so you can do this. Then click on save changes. After you have clicked on save changes, now the website was successfully created. So we can refresh the website to see if the settings was successfully. You can see now this change Niger Pay Data. You can see welcome to Niger Pay Data. When you scroll down, Niger Pay Data is your one time, so you can change this. Why you should use Niger Pay Data, right? This is how it is. And all that remains is changing the mkl data logo, and as well as this one. These are the logos that we are going to change. So here we have our logo. Already in this website. So let's just click on public html, click on assets, then click on img, Here we are going to upload our logos. These are the names that we are going to give to our logos. So let me indicate the logos that you have to recreate. This is Fabicon. This is the logo DAC, logo DAC 2, logo DAC 3860, logo DAC F93E, logo light, like this. All these ones that I have highlighted are the ones that you are going to recreate. So let's remove this. Remove this. You can replace them, but now I have deleted this one. These ones. So let me go back to the trash, because in this trash I have logos available. So let me click on asset, Let me click on asset. Let me click on img. Let me click on img. Here I have the img zip file already. So let me move it back. Let me move it back to the public HTML slash asset slash img of what level. So here I have take back the logos. If you don't have the logo available on the website, this is not what I want you to do. That's the reason I have not explained what I have done. What I have done is that this website I am just updating it to the new version. So I am just updating it to the new version, so there is no need to upload the logos, because the logos are on the trash that I have deleted. So here this is the img zip file, meaning that you are going to create your logo, then click on this upload and select the logo, to upload it, then select the logo here and upload it on your website. So it will be like this. Then click on extract, it, then right click on the zip file, click on extract. So after you have extracted the file, you can see these are the files that are in this logo. So you can see, let me reload the page. This is img3, right? So let me click on it. You can see these are the logos. When I click on this brand logo.png, let me click on view. You can see the logo. The logo is just 1280 by 443. This is the dimension of the logo. So you can also, this power beacon, this is the dimension of this power beacon. It is just a square. This is how the power beacon will look like. So now that I have done with this, all I need to do is just to select all the files, name your logos like this. The only one that is different is power beacon, but all this brand logo dark and everything are all the same. So let's click on it, then move all the files to this directory. Remove this img, is just asset slash img, then move all the files. So let's go back to this page. You can see here the files was being moved. Here you can see when I click or reload, the files was replaced. This is brand logo and so and everything. So let me copy this power beacon again. To a folder. Click on copy, then remove all this slash. The directory is just public html slash ads. Copy these files there. We have copied it right now. So here we have finished with this. Then let's refresh and see if the logo will reflect, or till we have let's click on img to see if it was if the logo was already was successfully uploaded. This is Niger Paper Beacon. Good. This is Niger Paper Beacon. The reason why it will not show us the logo is that we have not cleared our chat. So therefore, you have to copy the link to a new browser. Then paste it and show. The logo will appear. As it is. So you have to just you can see now the logo was changed, right? So that's the reason I have copied it to the new browser, because that browser will not show the logo, because it was not the church is that the church was downloaded. So this is Niger Pay logo. Right? So here we have to do one thing. Now we are done with this. All we need to do is just to register on this website. Here we have to when we click on this Niger Pay data, you can see we have first name and everything. Here we can register on this website. Let me write the name to see if we can register on this website. 08160970212. This is my line. You can chat me if you wish to. You can see. So here we can register on this website. This is how to register on this website. Let's click on login because I already have an account. I already have an account at 204. Let me use it. Let me just log into this. Invalid username or password. Okay, since it was not successfully, let me just check on it and get back to you. So I have noticed the reason why I am not able to log in, because I think I have changed the email address. So that's the reason. That's the reason. So let me type it. This is my phone number, the name. Let me use the password. Let me type the password to register on this website. To register on this website, you need a strong password. You need a strong password to register on this website. Therefore, you have to combine characters and many things. So here we can type any referral if we wish. The referral is just your phone number. Let me click on register, and do registration was successfully, right? So now the user can register on this website and continue his transaction. So I will guide you on what user can do on this website. Welcome to, you can see, you can change this thing. Welcome to Niger Pay. So it will show the Pabicon that we have uploaded on that ads. You can see here on this website, the user can view his you can see these are the services that user can do on this website. This is airtime, data, TV, bills. You can see here is the data, right? So let's go back to the home. This is the page where a user can purchase data. These are the features that are available on this website, that are pretty nice to operate, and they are easy. You can see this is Airtime Swap, agent upgrade, this is Bendo, this is recharge card, data, TV, bills, and everything. So you can see here the statistic of the amount that the user was spent on this profile. The user can view certain things. A user can personal information. He can also he have airtime limit, account limit, KYC status. This is the user referral link, where user can copy his referral link. uh, this is where the user can update his password. This is the user link for registration. This is the bonuses that are available when you click on these more services. When you click on these more services, you can see we have recharge pin, data pin, we have smile data, alpha top up, verification with phone number, verify with NIN, and so many things. We have API access. The users can register as your API. When a user click on this support, the user can be able to see many features. This is one click contact. The user can contact you, WhatsApp group, WhatsApp link, Facebook, and many things. So this is the beautiful BTU website that we have now in the town, that you can create it just in a seconds. Just in a seconds, you can create this beautiful BTU website. So the most important thing I want to show you now is just how to log into your admin dashboard. Here we have to navigate to our admin dashboard, right? When you copy this page link, click just add/admin like this. This is /admin, right? For the username, we have to use admin, and also for this password we have to use admin. So this is the password and username. With login, you can log in successfully to the admin dashboard. In this admin dashboard, we can set so many things. So here in the admin dashboard, we have the API wallet, we have user balance, we have many things. We have API wallet, where you can see the wallet. We have three wallet. You can see three wallets. We have the system users. You can add many admins. You can add, this is the first admin, right? You can add many admins from here, the super admin to choose from, assistant admin, or something else to add the username to be able to log in. Here you can see the customers on your website to be able to download them in CSV, PDF, or print them. This is the user, this is the balance, the wallet balance. You can see I can copy this user's email. I can copy this user email. I can let me go back to the customers to show you this picture. I can add customer. From here you can add customer. You can select his state to add the subscriber on your website. So you can see this is pretty simple, right? So you can see from here you can debit the user or credit the user. This is debit or credit the user. When you click on this debit the user, you can see you can debit the user. Let's say we can debit him 22,000, right? The reason is just debit. You can see we have to update it just with a single update. You can see the old balance, the new balance is just 1,000 naira. So you can see here we have so many features. We have things that we can do on this website that are more than expectation. When you click on view user, you can see the user details like this. These are the user's details. You can see the name, the email address, the phone number, the state, transaction fee, registration date, last activity, wallet balance, who report him, the account number. You can change him to either agent, bendo. You can activate his account, block his account, pending email verification or whatsoever. You can reset his password with just this. You can delete his account. You can reset his API key. These are the things that you can do for a customer. Just with this credit user feature, you can paste the user or debit him or credit him. For instance, if I want to credit this user with a 500 naira, for instance, let me add this user. Let me credit him with a 500 naira. This is the manual funding reason, manual funding. Let me update this user. You can see we have updated. It has zero balance, but now we have added 500 to the user. So you can see here in the services we have airtime discount, data plan, cable, electricity, exam fee, recharge card, alpha top up, data pin, CAC registration. We can set many things here. From this we can see the sales analysis, the data analysis, and many things. How much we have spent, the transaction, our profit per day, the login, the total profit, the total transaction, the total sales we have made, and so many things. For the cable, for exam fee, this is pretty simple, right? And this is the features that we are appreciating. When you click on all transaction, you can view the transaction of the users. You can see we have successfully credit or debit the user. When user purchase the airtime, you can see the amount. When you click on view details, from here you can change the transaction. You can change the status of transaction to either successful, fail, or debit. You can do many things. You can see all wallet, new wallet, and so many things. So from here you can see this site notification. When user log into your website, you can either disable or enable the notification service. You can change the notification. In this notification we have that image feature. You can change that image feature. It is pretty simple, right? It is pretty simple. You can change that notification to the preparable one you want. And from here messaging, you can see you can send email to the user. When you want to send email to the user, you can also chat with the user. When user send you, this is site message. This is site message. When user log into his website, he can send you message from here. When he click on this support, this is report an issue. This is report an issue. When user click on this report an issue, he can send you submit a new case, type message, blah 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 blah. When user submit complaint for you as an admin, a user can submit a complaint into your application without clicking the WhatsApp button. You can see here the user was successfully. This is not the message. This is in-app message. I recall. This is in-app message. So therefore, this is the user, right? You can view the complaint and reply the user. Thank you, admin. So. I can type reply the user, the email user, whatsoever he sent to me. When the user refresh his website, he can see the notification here on his website. The user will see the notification and he can see the admin reply. He can see the admin reply. The admin reply his message. So this is pretty simple on how to use this. You can see the thank you message for reply, and you can see this is the message. So on this website you can do so many things. This is the configuration. These are the site details where you can change the website name, the website URL, the API documentation, manual funding account. This is the manual funding account where users can fund their account manually, right? Where users can fund their account manually. When users come to his web page adding money, he can use manual funding for you to use that credit system to be crediting the users, right? To be crediting the users. So this is how users can generate account. He can generate Pampay account, generate Paga, Safe Haven, Bankly. This is automatic payment gateways. Account verification, he can use generate account. He can also use card for pay stack. He can also use manual funding. This is the manual funding account, right? By just copying the account, sending the money, he can click, it will redirect him to your WhatsApp number. This is where you can set the WhatsApp number that will be redirected, and this is where you can set the account number. This is where you can set the account number for that manual funding. You can see this is wallet to wallet transfer. These are the referral bonus system. You can enable or disable KYC on your website. You can do so many things on this website. You can set the charges for verification for Monify account. You can set many things on this side details. You can set site style. For this site style, you can click on this user. You can change the color of your website to the desired one. Now I want to set the grid, right? You can change the home page. These are the home page. You can select from any one of these lists. We have about 5 of them. From the home page, you can also select any one of these. We have about 5 of them, because I prepared using the one on the website. So you can see now I have changed it to green, right? Let me click on it. You can see it will process. Boom, the website was now successfully. You can see we have changed it to the green so that to tally our logo. You can see it was changed to the green. The user can print BVN slip, CAC registration, print NIN slip. You can set all these things. You can set all these things at the cheapest amount. You can see this is the site details. So I'm showing you all these features to know what you can do on this website. This is contact. This where you can set your phone number, WhatsApp link, and so many things. When user click on this support, he can see the numbers that you have set. These are the numbers, WhatsApp link, and so many things. This is where to set it. So here we have another feature. We have network. You can disable MTN service throughout your website. You can disable MTN airtime purchase. You can disable MTN or enable it. You can change so many things. For airtime you can do the same. For Glow you can do the same. This is the features that are not available on other websites or other script. You can add API when you have a website that you want to use another API. You can add API URL. You can select the service that you wanted to add and update it, and boom, the website will be live on your website. So this is pretty simple. This is Airtime API where you can set the API. This is Data API where you can set the data. This is Wallet API where you can set the wallet, the API wallet on your website to be getting the services. This is other API. This is the payment gateways that you can set for Monify, Paystack, Paybasal, ASP5, Billstack. These are all available. For this Monify, you just need to add your Monify API key, set the wallet charges in percentage on it or off it. So this is how you are going to set all these payments gateways that are available on this website. These are the others API. You can set for cable API. You can do so many things. So for you to start a transaction on this website, let me do one thing. Let's register with beta data. This is the beta data, the website that I recommend you to register as your API. So let me just click on login to register on this website as my API. Let me guide you on how to do this. Let me guide you on how to do this. Okay, I think I'm using, yes, I'm using another account, so that's the reason. So mhm. So let me log into this account. Let me log into this account to be able to connect it. Make sure you are a vendor on beta data. Make sure you are a vendor. Now I am a vendor, right? So let me go directly to copy my API key, or click on more, click on API access, click on API access like this, then copy these keys. This is your API key. Click on API documentation. This is the API documentation. What I wanted to guide you here is that these are the prices that you will get your BTU from. This is the vendor price. This is the plan ID. For now, let me check on the MTN. This is MTN. This is 20, right? This is 1 gig SME. At the price of 258, you will get 1 gig from beta data and sell it on your website. So here I'm going to copy this API key. So let me go back to this page to set my API key and the data price. For now, let me paste set this API key on my wallet. This is wallet API key beta data. Let me paste the API key that I have copied. From wallet one API key, let me choose beta data, right? So let me update it like this. When you update it, you can see when you click on this API, you can see now the 33 Naira on your website is now live. So this is the total users fund. So let me go back to this configuration to set API key for MTN SME. This is the data API, right? So let me paste the data API for MTN SME. This is the API. From the wallet API, let's set beta data. You can change so many, you can choose from any of these, but I recommend you to use beta data. I recommend you to use beta data as your API. Then update the details. So now the details for this API SME, it was for beta data. You can do the same for Airtel, Glo Air, and do many things. You can use exact one API for all the services on your website. So let me add for Airtime API also. Let me add for Airtime API. Let me paste the API key that I have copied for MTN. Let me choose beta data, right? Let me click on update details. So all I need to do is just to come to these services, to set the data price on my website. Click on data plans to set the data price that I want to sell data on my website. This is 1 gig. I can add it directly here, but I have it already. Let me edit it. When you click on this edit button, you can set the name of the data. It is SME, right? The plan ID, don't forget that the plan ID on that website is just 20, right? Let me set it to 20. The buying price, meaning the vendor price that I'm getting, is 258. Let me set the user price to 260. Let me set the agent price to 259, while the vendor price to 258. So I can update the plan. So here I have updated the plan. The users that have registered on my website, all I need to do is just to pawn my API wallet to be able to make transaction on this website. So let me pawn my API wallet first. So now that I have funded my API wallet, let me refresh the website. You can see now I have 1000 in my API wallet. So as a user, let me try to purchase data on this website to see if I will do this. So this is how the user can purchase data on this website to get data on his website, on his phone. So when a user here, I have 500, right? When I click on data, when user come to a website, you will just click on data, and he can select from the network that you have available. Then he can also save the contact, add new contact, or view the contacts. But now I don't have any contact on this. I can just type the contact. Let me type the contact 08160. Let me use this 0785 type. I'm so sorry, the data type is SME. Let me select the data plan. The data plan is 1 gig I prepared. You can see the price that I have set at the price of 260. The user can change the network status. This network status will be updated when you have successful transaction on your website. It is counting the successful transaction to update this status. Now it is showing not stable, but I can do the transaction. So you can see, then user can continue. So let me continue with this transaction. Let me continue with this transaction as a user on this website. Now I have registered and funded my account. The daily spending limit exceeded. The daily spending limit exceeded. As an admin, I can increase the user daily spending limit. Now, the reason it is showing this, the user spending limit was set to default 0. So that's the reason. But I will update it to 10,000. So let me change the user spending limit. Let me change the user spending limit. This is how to change the user spending limit. Let me add it as 10,000. Let me update the user account limit. This is the account limit for the user. So as a user, let me retry the transaction to see, since we have changed the transaction limit. Let me select the data plan and continue with my transaction. Set the fin. And this website have a feature that a user can either disable the transaction. The user can disable the transaction pin, meaning a user can choose either to put down. The transaction was successfully, boom, the website was successfully live. Now you can see the old balance, the new balance. The customer shared the transaction. You can see the transaction was successfully, and a customer can view the user receipt. You can see this is where the customers can view the user receipt. You can see the user receipt, and the customer can also the user receipt don't have all balance and new balance, so that the person can download the receipt or just screenshot and share it with the user. The user can also report the transaction, meaning he can report the transaction to admin, and the admin can set the transaction. When user click on, you can see it was being submitted. When user click on history, you can see the transaction receipt. You can see the transaction. This is the wallet credit, the manual funding that we have made, and this is how the data transaction was credited. So you can see the user can review his transaction receipt and do many things. So as an admin, when you come to the messaging in app message, you can see the report that user have made on the data he have purchased. This is the data that I have purchased. Report, dear customer, you have successfully. So I can review the report that the user have made. Either the transaction was not correct or something else, so that I can reply the user, blah blah, the issue. I can say the issue was resolved. The issue was resolved. So I can reply the user. So now let me purchase the airtime on this website to see I have successfully received the data on my phone. I am with my phone. The data will be received instantly, and the user will see the transaction. So you don't want to spend a lot of money to get such a beautiful VTU website, because I have provided you with this comprehensive tutorial. This is airtime. When user click on airtime, you can also purchase an airtime on this website. MTN, you can set the, let me use this one. Let me select BTU or share. Let me type the amount 100. You can set the discount on your website. The discount is 2%, so therefore it is like this. You can see the user can view the status of the transaction, either the network is stable or not. He can continue with the transaction. He can purchase so many things. You can do many things on this website. This is the comprehensive website you want for your profit, airtime and data selling, cable subscription. Now the airtime was successfully, even before the transaction was successfully, and now the transaction receipt. You can see this is build user receipt. So this is pretty simple, and how the website is operating and how you can own this website. You can see this website is is the website that we have available, and the users are enjoying this website. So all I have forget is when you want to create application for your website, all you need to do is just type app creator 24. When you type app creator 24 on your website, you can sign up if you don't have account using just email and a password. Let me log into an account. Let me log into just account to be able to create a new uh, a new application for my user. So in few steps you can create the application. So here I have several applications that I have made for the users, and this service is also for a client. Here I have the Niger Pay data already on my website. Let me just click on download app. When I click on download app, I can download the application with a single click. You can also share this link to your users to be able to download your application with a single click. And now the application is downloading. But let me create you a simple application to see how the creating application on a mobile phone is pretty simple. The users can use your account. Click on this create account. You can see create account, create app like this. When you click on create app, you can set the application name. This is Niger Pay Data, right? This is Niger Pay Data. You can choose the logo. I think I have this Pabicon. This is for Abin data that I have created recently. You can set the B2 website. This is app description. You can set blah 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 and do and set many things. This is the app description that will appear here. The description that I set. So now it was successfully created. Let's set blue for our style. Make sure you have selected web app. This is web app. For the title, let's say Niger Pay Data. For this web link, you have to copy the exact domain name of your website, and paste it here. Then click on next. So therefore, now the application was successfully created. All we need to do is just to click on this design and menu type, then change the menu to without menu like this. So because we don't want any menu, you can also change the loading app from here to be able to make your applications better. For this, you can set name and icon. You can edit many things. When you want to generate AAB for a place to upload, this is how just you need to click on this AAB file. Just click on download app, and boom, your application will be live for download. So now I have downloaded the application. Let me guide you on how to upload the application on your website, which when user click on this download app, he can download your application just on your website without visiting the Play Store. Just by clicking this download app, you can download your application. So let's click on cPanel, click on public HTML. When you click on public HTML, click on a new folder. This is how to create new folder. This is folder. Let's click and right click and then set the folder name to app. Let's reload the folder if created. So you can see now the folder was created, right? So let's upload. Click on upload and upload the application that we have recently downloaded. So let's see our download. This is the application that we have downloaded recently. So let's download this application. Let's upload it. Now the application is uploading on our website. Because if we have this application on our website, it will be automatically downloaded to a user when you just click on the website link, without hurrying to navigate to the Play Store or something else. Because I have seen so many people that have not uploaded their application on Play Store and they are successfully. So if also you want to upload your application on Play Store, I am uploading it for you. And all you need to do is just to chat me on my number below this video. I have my WhatsApp number below this video. You can chat me up. So now the application was uploaded successfully. All you need to do is just to change the application name, rename the application name to your prepared application name, Niger Pay Data, Niger Pay Data, right? Then rename it. Now reload the file. So all you need to do is just to copy the application name, or just don't forget, just go back to the public HTML, because you have now successfully uploaded the application, and then click on index.html, click on edit. Now we have to edit, then click on edit. Edit, then scroll down like this, then go to the line 106, then change this href link, to app slash the name of your application, nigerpaydata.apk, and copy this also, to the line, because we have to download link button. So to the line 146, you can do the same. On this line you can do the same. I have pasted the link. So I have pasted the link. So now I'm just going to click on save change, and now the application will be downloaded with a single click on my website. Don't forget that it is showing this logo, because when I refresh it on here, you can see where I need to clear my chat from that browser to be able to see my logo, but I don't want to do that. Now now with a single click download app, when I click on download app, you can see the application is now downloading, Niger Pay Data app. So the users can now click on login to log into a website with a single click. You can see the users can log into a website with a single click. You can see the users can now log into a website. The users can now log into a website successfully. You can see, aha, this is pretty simple and easy. This is pretty simple and easy. So now we have completed our website. We don't want everything. We have learned how to integrate the API key. We have learned how to set the prices. We have learned how to upload the script. We have learned everything. So for you to be able to reach out to me on this video, you have to click on the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Don't forget to subscribe. I have my comprehensive BTU website playlist that you can play from that. You can play from that. You can see these are the videos are more exciting, and the users are enjoying the video. So below every video you are watching, you can click on the description, and you can see we have the automatic download link for this script, and I have my website WhatsApp link that when you click you can reach me out on WhatsApp. So you can also view the links for my social medias, including the WhatsApp group. You can also join my WhatsApp group below the video, or join my Telegram group for more update. I am dropping update of my WhatsApp group, and this is the support group. We are guiding our BTU developers and BTU website owners. So for any details, when you click on this automatic download link, it will redirect you to this seller page. It will redirect you to this seller page where you can purchase the script. It will redirect you to this seller page where with a single click you can see the video guide, and with a single click you can purchase the script, and the script will redirect you to this our script files, because we have uploaded the script files on Google Drive, and it will redirect you to the page. It will redirect you to the page where you can get the script. It will redirect you to the page where you can get the script. These are the script service, version 6, data SQL, and the and the file that will guide you on how to upload and you have this video, you have another videos for guidance. So this is how we are making transaction with a users, with a client. When they said their amount, it is just 9,900 for now, but we are going to increase the price. In the meantime, we have limited people that we are going to sell for this promo price, and these are the script. So you can also pay me for this service to make you a beautiful BTU website, and you have several benefit for doing that. When you paid me 49,000 for your service, the promo price, I have set the promo price at the price of 49,000. I can create this BTU website with application and everything, including the domain name, hosting, and SSL registration. And I will share the BTU script with you as well. I will create you the user friendly and a professional logo, brand name suggestion, and I will guide you uh, for pre-API website, and a pre-moderate and pre-search engine optimization, and a WhatsApp group for script users. These are the features that you will get before we are offering this Play Store application uploading. But now we have removed it from our service. If you want to upload your application to Play Store, you are just going to pay us 15,000 for application upload. But now we have this available for all the peoples that are watching this video. I don't want to make this video longer. Thank you for reaching out to us, and I appreciate it. When the people that don't know who I am, my name is Dr. Zaki, and I am the CEO for this beta data. So this is my face, you can see, uh, though it is uh, though it is AI created. But now you can subscribe, share, and like this video. Thank you for your time.